Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Scotch whisky is probably one of the most iconic and revered spirits in the world, known for its rich history, diverse flavor profiles, and the meticulous craftsmanship that goes into every bottle, making it a truly exceptional choice for both seasoned connoisseurs and curious newcomers alike seeking an authentic taste of Scotland's finest distillation. Number 5. Goldingr Whiskey Decanter Globe Set. Looking for the perfect gift for the man in your life? This elegant decanter set is sure to impress. Hand-blown with an etched globe design, this decanter will enhance your drinking experience and make a bold statement. The set includes a whiskey decanter and 2 matching old-fashioned glasses, all fitted onto a stained wood tray. A gold stopper adds a touch of class. With an 850 ml capacity for the decanter and 300 ml for each glass, it's perfect for spirits. It can also be used for water, juice, or iced tea. This set is not only functional but also a great conversation piece at any gathering. Goldingr has been specializing in handcrafted giftware since 1973. You can trust their quality for any special occasion. What we like. This set features a unique globe design with an antique ship inside, making it a fantastic conversation starter. If you're looking to add a touch of adventure and elegance to your home bar, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who appreciate unique aesthetics and enjoy entertaining guests. What people say. The decanter itself is beautifully crafted. The globe design is elegant and sophisticated, making it a perfect centerpiece for any home bar or display shelf. The etching on both the decanter and the glasses is intricate and adds a touch of class to the set. The quality of the materials is excellent. The decanter has a solid, weighty feel to it, and the glass is clear and sturdy. The 4 glasses included in the set are also well made, with the same high-quality etching that complements the decanter perfectly. This decanter is gorgeous and my husband loves it. He's been telling everyone about it. It looks small but holds a lot. The glass is pretty thick and there aren't any leaks anywhere. Works exactly like we needed it to. Number 4. Bormioli Rocco Selecta Whiskey Decanter. Elevate your whiskey tasting experience with this elegant decanter. It's a sophisticated addition that every household needs. This beautiful decanter features a sparkling starburst pattern. The airtight lid ensures your spirits stay fresher for longer. Equipped with a premium glass stopper, it's perfect for whiskey, brandy, bourbon, and other spirits. Enjoy convenience and elegance. Made in Parma, Italy, with premium materials, this decanter is incredibly detailed and durable. Experience fine Italian craftsmanship. Surprise a whiskey lover with this classic old-fashioned decanter. It's a gift they'll surely put to immediate use. What we like. Crafted in Italy, this decanter boasts a stunning diamond-cut pattern with starburst detailing that beautifully catches the light. If you desire a sophisticated and sparkling addition to your collection, this is the one for you. It's perfect for anyone who appreciates fine Italian craftsmanship and elegant glassware. What people say. The glass is thick and feels very solid, giving it a high-quality, elegant look. The design is classy without being over the top, and it really adds a touch of sophistication when serving whiskey or bourbon to guests. The stopper fits snugly, so it keeps the liquor sealed well without worrying about evaporation or spills. The 33.75-ounce capacity is just right. It holds a full bottle of whiskey with room to spare, which makes it practical as well as stylish. Number 3. Personalized Whiskey Decanter Set. Imagine their surprise when they receive this unique personalized decanter set. It's the perfect gift for any bourbon, whiskey, or Scotch lover that will be cherished for years to come. Want to give a gift with a personal touch? We custom engrave both the decanter and glasses to your exact specifications, from text to designs, all for free. This sturdy, expertly crafted glass decanter elevates any home bar. It holds 26 ounces of your favorite spirit and can be paired with matching rocks glasses. Enhance your collection with a set that combines elegant style and practical use. It's designed to provide the perfect pour every time. Impress with a personalized decanter set that showcases your excellent taste. It's the perfect way to make a statement at any gathering. This is the standout gift for groomsmen, best men, or any special occasion like Father's Day or birthdays. It's a truly one-of-a-kind present. What we like. This decanter set offers a truly unique touch with its customizable engraving options for both the decanter and glasses. If you're searching for a deeply personal and memorable gift, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for special occasions like Father's Day, birthdays, or as a wedding gift for someone who cherishes personalized items. What people say. The nose is rich and complex, with notes of dried fruit, spice, and a hint of smoke. The palate is smooth and full-bodied, with flavors of oak, caramel, and dark chocolate. The finish is long and warming, with a pleasant peppery aftertaste. Number 2. We the People American Flag Whiskey Decanter Set. Celebrate America's 250th anniversary with this patriotic decanter set. It features a We the People design and an American flag, perfect for any proud American. This decanter set is etched with We the People and the American flag, making it an ideal gift for any American patriot who enjoys fine spirits. Experience the rich tradition of Italian glassmaking with this lead-free, ultra-clarity glassware. It's crafted from fine sands and raw materials for exceptional quality. This set includes a 15-ounce decanter and two 10-ounce glasses, perfect for serving your favorite whiskey, bourbon, or scotch. It comes in an exquisite gift box. Serve your cherished liquors in style at any event, from formal gatherings to daily use. It's ideal for housewarmings, weddings, or family parties. We ensure your decanter set arrives in perfect condition. Your complete satisfaction is our top priority, so buy with confidence. What we like. Celebrate American heritage with this decanter set featuring a patriotic, We the People, and American flag design. If you're a proud patriot or looking for a distinctive gift for an American enthusiast, this set is a superb choice. It's perfect for patriotic holidays, Father's Day, or any occasion where you want to showcase national pride. What people say. Each glass has the We the People stamped on it and is easy to read. The decanter is nice and bold with the American flag. The glass is thick and seams strong, nice mold on the bottom. Super easy to clean and dishwasher safe. The decanter has a good seal on it. The design was etched very well and the glass was of good quality. This heavyweight decanter is beautiful. The weight is respectable compared to other items I have looked into. The inert composition will ensure that the taste of his favorite scotch will not be compromised. The engraving is outstanding and is very aesthetically pleasing. Number 1. Wilsco Alcohol Infusion Kit. Unleash your inner mixologist and create unique, naturally flavored spirits right at home. It's the perfect way to personalize your favorite drinks. Explore a world of taste with 12 natural infusion materials. Mix and match to craft complex or simple flavor profiles that perfectly suit your palate. From single ingredient infusions to intricate blends, the possibilities are endless. Our recipe guide offers simple suggestions to get you started. Wow your friends and family with sophisticated, homemade infused spirits and cocktails. Elevate your home entertaining game effortlessly. Create exciting flavor combinations you won't find anywhere else. Expand your horizons and discover new taste sensations. Presented in an attractive gift package, this kit makes an ideal present for anyone who loves to experiment with drinks. It's a thoughtful and unique choice. What we like. This kit empowers you to create your own unique flavored spirits using natural ingredients. If you're an adventurous drinker who loves experimenting with new tastes, this is the perfect tool for you. It's ideal for anyone looking to craft bespoke cocktails and impress friends with their own signature infusions. What people say. The aroma is rich with notes of oak and vanilla, leading to a smooth, complex palate. A delightful balance of sweetness and spice, with a long, warming finish that lingers pleasantly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.